guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm so excited to bring you my FabFitFun Fall 2023 box, and it looks pretty big. And oh my gosh, I think I kind of match with the box color. I did not plan it that way, but FabFitFun has been going like minimal, I feel like, in their box designs, and I'm loving it. The blue one was last summer, and then now we have this pumpkin spice and everything nice box, and it's again another plain box, more like a peachy brown, right? And so it definitely screams like fall. I do wish that it wasn't as dirty, but that's okay. I got a pretty big box, and I think I know why. So guys, if you want to know what I got from my FabFitFun fall seasonal box, then keep on watching. Okay, here we go. I gotta say the fall box was just kind of not as exciting as all the other boxes in the past, but it's still pretty good. But from my experience, if you are to start your FabFitFun box, I would start during the winter box. They usually stock up on really good things, really nice gifting items, and so that's what I like. And I tend to buy my Christmas gifts during the winter. If you guys want to know the pricing of seasonal versus annual members, I will have it in the description box below. But basically, the main difference is that you get to customize 2 weeks, a little over a week before the seasonal members. Every year, I really do get excited getting these products. They're all very worth it. They're products that I normally would not buy with my own money because they're just a little pricey. But when they're discounted all together in a box like this, it just makes it worth it. And you get to try these nice products that are a little bit bougier, in my opinion, but for a fraction of the price. So, all right. So for customization one, it looks like there's a little corbouce blanket or throw blanket. There's the wine glasses. We've got some Murad and living proof. I almost wanted to get that living proof. And then there's also the Alice and Olivia bag. I have gotten a couple of weekend bags already from FabFitFun, and they have been my go-to for daycations, staycations, like overnighters. They are just the perfect size. And this is my third one. I always say every year I'm gonna gift this to someone because the price can't be beat. This is probably like $100 bag. Every bag I've gotten from them has been very durable. But then the design is so pretty that I always want to keep it. This one has an outside pocket, which I like. I don't think any of my bags had an outside pocket, so that's nice. And then it's got, you know, the short handle. I remember getting this. This is the same zipper as my very first Alice and Olivia weekend bag. It has the strap so you can carry it like kind of like a crossbody way. So you attach it through here, so it goes from here to the other side right here. So very convenient. It really balances out the weight. This one has pockets on either side. Again, super convenient for like your phone when you want to reach and grab it real fast. And then of course the zipper would be more secure. There's also a zipper inside, but very roomy. Do I want to keep it? I don't know. I've also used it as an oversized bag before. I've gotten slightly different sizes and shapes from these weekender bags, and yeah, maybe 3 is my limit, I gotta say. So next customization, guys, customization 2, it looks like we have this citrine spice jar, Reebok jump rope. There's the Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Acid Serum, Fenty Glow Bronze, And then you also have the Timberland scarf and the Alex and Annie bracelet, cuff bracelet. All good things. I chose the Timberland scarf just because it's very chic. I see myself in like a cozy jacket with like boots, you know, and then I have this tied around and it's so, I love the print. I feel like this is definitely my color right here. It goes really well with like plain shirts, even colorful shirts. I feel like it'll go because of the white. I love this kind of white detail at the end. So soft, really good quality. The fabric is 100% acrylic. Ooh, no wonder. Very nice, very nice. So soft, love it. Okay, guys, there are the Fabfitfun scratchers, which I already scratched. Wah, wah, I did not win, so no suspense for you there. Next is customization 3. Looks like we have the Vegamore Grow Dry Shampoo, the Living Proof Smoothing Bare Bristle Hairbrush, the Silk Pillowcase, Free People candle. I'm not into woodsy scent, so I didn't get that. We have some earrings by Louvage and some hair mist by Fakai. And oh, I saw this Youthforia. It's a blush oil. So it's supposed to change color according to the color of the warmth of your skin and your, you know, your own body composition or something like that. I did see this at Ulta, guys. So if you are interested, you can easily get it at Ulta as well. It's a new brand to me. Never really heard about it until now. I ended up getting the hair product, which is by Vegamore Dry Shampoo. Let's see, let's see. Okay. Okay, maybe I need to take the safety cap off somewhere. Oh gosh. I can't. What am I doing wrong? You know, these kinds of spray, guys, for some reason, I have a problem pressing it. Sorry, guys, if I get it to work, I will show it to you in a demo. But I heard the Vegamore brand is such a good brand, and I've never tried it. Okay, guys, for customization 4, there wasn't a lot of products, but I ended up getting the Bloom Buds Power Patches for acne-prone skin. This one, let's see what it looks like. It looks like little purple flowers. My daughter and I use this a lot. More so my daughter, and so she's gonna love that they are now like purple flowers looking. I know Vanessa from Vanessa Beauty got in her Ipsy box acne patches that are shaped like fruits, like bananas, grapes, oranges. They were so cute, and I guess nowadays like teens has no problem, you know, flaunting those acne patches, but in a very cute way, an artistic way, and so I love that. So can't wait to use this. It is clinically proven to zap sits in 6 hours. There's 48 patches in here, so yes. For the next customization, guys, I got the Darling Spring Salt and Pepper Shaker set. I don't know what it is, but I saw it and I felt like it would match my kitchen again. Guys, I'm already using the salt and pepper grinder from my last Fabfitfun season that I got. I don't know what my obsession is with the salt and pepper stuff, but this one is so cute. Yeah, what a cute pair, guys. I feel like I want to keep this for our other home in the Philippines. And so, yeah, I kind of want to save this because it's such a cute addition to our little home there. Next customization, guys, I think I got 2 in this case because I couldn't let it pass up. The Cover FX highlighter trio. It's a custom enhancer palette. So Cover FX has custom enhancer drops, and now they've turned it into a powder. So that's what it looks like, gorgeous. Let's see if they are really blingy. Ooh. Again, I was going to give this to someone, but what is it about highlighters that I can't seem to pass up? This one looks like a pinky highlighter, and then you have the gold one, and this is more like a cool tone one. Very pretty, very blingy. Oh my gosh. So I will definitely be keeping this. Honestly, guys, I got 2 of these in my box, but one of them was broken. It was like all over my box, my carpet. Oh, I didn't even know until I opened it. I kind of had a hint that it was gonna be broken. So this one is perfectly good. I love the packaging. It feels kind of like a velvety, matte, like rubbery kind of packaging. I love that. And Cover FX is an amazing brand. I love like highlighter palettes because I can combine the highlighters. I can use just one. It just depends on my mood, my makeup look. I have been religiously using my 5-pan highlighter palette from Ofra. And yeah, that's my go-to. I bring it with me on trips so I don't have to think about 5 different highlighters to bring. It's just very convenient for travel. I know I picked 2 customizations. I paid an additional $10, I believe, for this one, but it is a fanny pack. The only fanny pack that I have is by Senrev. And that one is like leather, and so it's more like formal dress wear, like when you're wearing a dress or when you're more dressy and dressed up. Okay, how many times can I use the word dress? But this one, guys, this one is that, what is this material? It is a nylon / spandex material, 100% polyester. I love the feeling of this. It feels so luxe, like good quality. I wasn't expecting like really good quality, but guys, this one is amazing. It has kind of like that padding right here in the back, very comfortable. You have zipper in the front, and this is what I want, like not bulky, just no hassle kind of bag that I could just throw around. And again, there's another zipper there, so all your valuables are going to be kept secure nicely. I love this green. It's like an army green, and it's perfect for fall. So I will be using this a lot actually, and you can carry it so many ways. So this one I'm sure is hopefully fits my waist, but you can go this way, which is my most favorite way to carry because I'm always hands-free in that way. And I'll show it to you guys. And then I can also, I'm squatting here, sorry, but I can also just flip it to the back if I wanted to. And yeah, and just have it all away from the front. I love this because my other bag is kind of like a belt style connector, if that makes sense. And I have to like unhook it like a belt, and this one is just one click and it separates. And then you just put it around your waist like that. So hopefully you guys can see that. But yeah, I love this. I love the material, most especially. I feel like top-notch quality. I'll put the pricing of this one over here, guys. It's by the brand Obi. Maybe I'm not just familiar with the brand, but usually 80% of the time FabFitFun has amazing brand name products. So my favorite has to be from my box. It's the Cover FX and these 2. So amazing. I also love the Weekender bag. I got a Ricola throat balm Usually FabFitFun throws in like a granola or some fun food item, and this one is so useful for the fall. And then I did have 3 add-ons, and one of them unfortunately is missing. I will contact FabFitFun right away on that. I stocked up on my Spawn Gel. I love this cherry tonka. Smells so good. And then I have a beauty sponge by Billion Dollar Beauty. Okay, it's a little stiff. I like how it has the BDB there. I like the color gray. It's a little stiff, but we'll see if it softens with some water. I mostly use makeup sponges, guys, so if you are wondering what makeup sponge to get, I do have the best of the best makeup sponge recommendations in this video here. I will make sure to link it in the description box below as well. But yeah, definitely check that out, and I'm gonna add this to my collection and see if it's any good. And then my egg thingy, I'll put a picture of it here. It like shapes your eggs when you fry it. That one is not in my box, so I'm kind of bummed about that. Ooh, okay, I think I missed the customization, guys. I did get the face cleanser by First Aid Beauty. This is not new to me. Anything from First Aid Beauty brands, I vouch for. I also have what FabFitFun calls as refills. I told you guys my favorite shampoo and conditioner are these two that adds volume and fullness, the Living Proof shampoo and conditioner. And individually, guys, they're like $25, I believe, or 30, close to $30. But because you have a refill, which FabFitFun stocks you up every season, you get this set for only $25. So amazing, amazing deal. That is everything, guys. What do you guys think? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I post videos once a week on skincare and beauty reviews, as well as some unboxing here and there. Definitely stick around, join this beauty community. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll definitely see you back in my corner soon. Bye.